What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Draco coming back at you with another episode, Draco's Journey to Master Ball, where I use rental teams or teams that I've created to try and reach the Master Ball team. I got the Hail team from the last video. I've had a cold this week that has just swept the legs up from underneath me. I actually spent a whole day almost, not a whole day. I went to bed the other day at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My wife came home, and I was in bed. Feeling a little bit better now. Still got all the congestion and everything, so if I sound wonderful, it's because I feel a little better. Still really congested. So I actually have a piece of gum in my mouth to help me clear this up a little bit so I can talk better. So excuse the chew. But like I said, we are on another episode of Draco's Journey to Master Ball. I have the Hail team that I created. No rental team this week, unfortunately. It happened. I had a rental team I was going to use. Just with me being sick, I wasn't able to get some practice in. And I like to really practice with rental teams a lot. That way I know them. So hopefully next week we're going to have a rental team. I did get a chance to start working on a team for us to use next week. Little sneak peek, give you a little preview. It is a Colossal. It does have a Colossal on it. So, that's one of my favorite Pokemon. I love Colossal. Out of all those guys who can set residuals, I think Colossal is the best with that weakness policy. So they're going to have a Colossal. It'll be a Polt. It'll have Dragapult on it, of course, and Colossal. Tag team champions of the world. So yeah, next week I just got to tweak the team a little bit. I think I'm almost done with it. I was able to put one together last night with it, and I did a couple of battles, so it was working out. I had a couple of flaws in it, but should have it done this weekend for Monday. Tuesdays, VGC battles. Hopefully next week I'll also have a rental team. Really trying to get back on using those rental teams, just to be able to put more content out there. But with BDSP out and everything like that, it's been kind of up and down what I'm doing with the channel, but we're definitely going to stick with the VGC because that is what I love. The VGC, it's really fun. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you do enjoy this content, hit that like button. And as always, after the battles, I will put the rental code up. So as you can see, I'm in the Pokeball tier, which is crazy because what happened was I forgot to get to Master Ball tier. With the holiday I had, where I'm from, we had Thanksgiving, just totally screwed me up. And then BDSP, and it was I just put VGC to the side last month apparently, and forgot to make it all the way to Master Ball tier. So now we're in Pokeball tier, climbing our way back up, but I guess that's the whole point of the channel. Anyways, we're just going to jump into it, and we're going to try and get some battles. Alright, got ourselves a battle against Shadow Rider. And they also have the Ice Force too, that's interesting. That's a really interesting team. Yeah, I don't really know. Taking Tailwind, so let's Trick Room. Amoonguss, Calyrex. We could go Amoonguss, Calyrex, Ninetales, Arctozolt. And see what happens. Do it this way. Whatever. Alright. Get back into this. We'll get into this battle. And see what we can do here. Man. Cannot wait until this whole thing is gone. Huh. I think I brought the wrong one. I should have brought the crunch one. Didn't even think of that. Alright. Are they gonna taunt me? Let's see what happens. Moonblast Blizzard. We'll just try and attack that thing. Yeah, they're gonna Helping Hand. Shite. That's not good. If we were faster! Get a freeze, get a freeze, get a freeze, get a freeze! Freeze! No. Let's see what that does to us. Wow. Calyrex Shadow is no joke. Yeah. We're on the back foot right away. But I think if we can do this, protect. I mean, did we try it? Okay, like here's the safe play is this: protect Bolt Beak because it does double damage because we're faster. But they could follow me, but I feel like they're gonna get greedy and hit that. Hit that Helping Hand button again. Let's see. If they don't hit, if they hit the follow me, that's a good play. Ooh, they go big. Go big or go home. Now it might not work. The Bolt Break might not work now. I think they're gonna go into Calyrex here. We might take it. It'd be pretty funny if we took it. What you max guarding for? What you doing there? I'm confused. I mean, okay. Okay. That's fine. Amoonguss, or not Amoonguss, Indeedee didn't take any hail damage. So we max Quake. Let's do this. Back up. Into Indeedee. Now, like I said, they could have the... Let's see. Let's see what happens here. They could follow me, and if they follow me, my Spore's not going to put the Calyrex to sleep. I didn't understand the max guard thing. This turn I can see a max guard making sense. They should have attacked last turn. I would have. Of course I like to attack every turn. I'm crazy like that. Oh. Very good follow move. That's what I thought you had. Okay. So now they're going to attack us, probably with Max Darkness. Or Max Phantasm. Might not kill. Holy cow, did we just get lucky there. Wow. Okay. Alright, so who's our next Pokemon then? Okay. I think we gotta do it this way. I think we gotta do it this way. They could max guard. Okay. Did not see they were that. Good game to them. I mean, actually, that helped us out a lot. Actually, no. That was... yeah. Yeah. Let's go. We got lucky there. Big time lucky there. Alright, who's their third gonna be? Or their fourth, I should say. Come on, tick. And Spore. Try and get rid of that Calyrex, man. Because that thing wakes up, and they're able to hit a double move on us, we could be in deep trouble. I love that little mushroom. It's kind of a cheap way to play, putting everything to sleep, but I got nothing here. I'm on my back foot from turn 1. Okay. So we still have one turn of Trick Room to work with after we go small. Hail stopped. That's fine. So we could Pollen Puff to get some energy back. I feel like that's probably the play. Let me just do this. We got to. I mean, it's not very effective, but we're like, what? Yeah, we're... Look how high our attack is. Holy cow! Alright, Pollen Puff to get some health back. And outright attack. That Iron Ball, man. I love that Iron Ball. On that Amoonguss. It just does so much work. How much does a +5 Glacier Lance do to a full health Milotic? Alright. Look at that comeback, boys. That's a comeback, boys. That's a comeback. That was a good comeback. That was a pretty decent battle. I like those battles. And I like it because it wasn't long, drawn out. It was, you got in, you did work, and that was it. I just want to see if I was right about something with their Milotic. Competitive, because that's the only thing. Assault Vest. Astral Rise. Speed Swap? What does that do? Change his speed stats with a target. That's interesting. So if you're in a Trick Room... I don't think I've ever seen that. High Horse or Body Press. Heavy Slam. Icicle Sphere. Cool. And that's got a vest on it. It's a pretty cool build. Hydro Pump, Ice Beam, Mud Shot, Recover. 252s, Life Orb with a competitive. That's a good build. I like it. They had a Trick Room. Their Indeedee had Trick Room on it. Why didn't you bring Indeedee? Clearly, I have a Trick Room team set up on it. Oh, whatever. Yep. Just get do another battle. All right, guys. We got ourselves another battle. Honestly, I've never seen anybody use, is that Hadronigan or whatever it is, in a battle. Interesting. Okay. So, what do we want to do here? Our ice moves can do a lot of work. We could do Ninetales, Arctozolt, Arcovish. Do we want to do that? I mean, and then the Calyrex. And the Amoonguss again. So they could, yeah, let's do that, because if they set the Trick Room up with their Hatrini hat, call it hat because that's what everybody else calls it, then we can just bring Amoonguss out. We can't put that thing to sleep because it could have Magic Bounce, but we can put other things to sleep. Okay. So, they could do the smite. They could smite me. Smite me, almighty smiter. They could do that. And then confuse us, which sucks. Get a Roar Veil. It's that thing I'm really worried about. We'll freeze dry this thing. We could have Blizzard, double Blizzard, and it probably would have knocked it out. Oh, Berry Proc right away. It's a weird team. Something I've never really seen a lot of these guys. They didn't max, so they're probably going to Trick Room. Oh, they Sleep Powdered. What? Did not see that coming. Yeah, I knew they were going to Trick Room. Okay. Now. Man, they got... Double Blizzard. I kind of want to free switch in. I think it's back to full health. Okay, still sleep. Do you think we bring Calyrex in? I almost feel like a double switch could work here. Let's do this. I should have brought Calyrex out of Amoonguss. Oh well. Okay, so the Gleam. Not very effective in Sleep Powder. Okay. So they're going to play that game. That's okay. If we wake up, it would be amazing. And then we'll pollen puff that thing. Hopefully we knock that thing out. Okay. Now wake up, Ninetales. Please wake up. Misty Explosion. What does that do? Yo, I mean, okay, you can do that. I'm okay with that. Critical hit on Amoonguss. That was a crazy. I like that animation. It just blew itself up. It's like, I can't take it anymore. Okay. And you. Okay. So we're gonna put do that and that. Blizzard and Spore. We're probably gonna lose Ninetales, which is okay. Yo, EQ. Okay. Okay. I feel like we should set Trick Room again. So the Trick Room is up. Trick Room. Trick Room and Protect. Yeah. Because they're going to EQ. It should not take out Ice Rider. Well, that's not right. That didn't work. Rock Slide. We might get a Fairy Proc here. No. Dude, we totally take that turn. 100%. I'm okay with that turn. We can't switch out? Oh, it's arena trapped. Okay. Spore you again. Like, it's not going to do much. It's going to proc my weakness policy. Thank you. That's what I wanted you to do. Okay. Now we're just going to do Spore. To go to sleep, you scary bird. Go to sleep, scary bird. Thing is creepy looking. And, oh, they're slower than us? That's cray-cray. We take it. Amoonguss and Calyrex big busted. Both those guys big busted. We flinched and couldn't move. Okay, let's try that again. Spore this guy too. I mean, I'm tired of it. Sick of it. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. GTS. think they go big with the bird. They bit. Yes, I was hoping they were gonna go big with Trapinch. That's awesome. That's so cool. This one's definitely going in the video. Go to sleep, you big giant creepy thing. Both of their guys are asleep. Lance, we just pick up a double KO, fam. That is how you clean it up. That was a interesting battle, to say the least. Side note, we did not max our mon. Yeah. Really good battle. That was a really fun battle. When you're winning like that, I guess you can't help. But yeah, that is gonna wrap up the video. Some really good battles in this particular one. So yeah, let me jump over, grab you guys the rental code for the ice team we just used. 1 second. Alright, DK Universe. Here it is, the rental team for the Hail team that I used in this video. It is a team that I made. It does feature the Arctofish and Arctozolt, so the other two fossils from Gen 8, just like we used the other two fossils in the last two videos. We used the Sandrush fossil. The Sandrush mons, their names are eluding me right now, of course. In the last two videos, in the sand team that I made, had T-Tar on it. I know that for sure. A special T-Tar. Shh, don't tell anybody. No, check that video out. Really good video in that one. This video was pretty good too. I think we did some pretty good battles. The battles we did feature in this video were both pretty fun. That final battle was just a off-the-wall team. And yeah, we were able to... I think we did some work on that team. But yeah, no, they were pretty good battles. The team is pretty fun, though. I had a lot of fun with this team, like I always do. Especially the Trick Room aspect of the team. I have a lot of fun using Trick Room in general. It's one of my favorite things to use in Pokemon, is Trick Room. If you can play around Trick Room, I think you're a really skilled player. If you can play in Trick Room and optimize all your Trick Room turns, I think you're also a really skilled player. So, Trick Room can make for some really good battles. It can make for really fast battles if you're playing against somebody who doesn't know how to operate outside of Trick Room, where you can just wreak havoc with it. But if you're playing against an opponent who knows about Trick Room and they know what to do with Trick Room, how to get out of Trick Room, you can make for some really intense battles. Then you got like I said, you got the Arctofish and the Arctozolt with the Slush Rush abilities, paired with Ninetales. So you do have a speedy option. With the Arctozolt, he will become the fastest thing in your team. But Arctofish also becomes the speed double with Slush Rush. But outside of Slush Rush, Arctofish can actually do some damage too, because he is slower of the two, and you put him inside of a Trick Room, and there are some things that he will actually go first with. Like he's got Crunch. So a perfect example, I didn't do it in the video, but perfect example, let's say you're up against like a Calyrex Shadow team, right? And probably the easiest way to get rid of that is to bring, say, Calyrex, your ice guy, and your, say, you can bring Indeedee, or Amoonguss, either one of them. Start with those two, and Trick Room, and then switch Arctofish out or in, and you can max or just straight outright crunch it, and that should take it out. But that's probably the easiest way to deal with that. So because you're going to enter Trick Room, and Arctofish is going to be slower, so he'll go first. But other than that, the team was fun. I had fun piloting the team. If you had fun watching the video, hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. As always, I will have all the links below for the DK Training Facebook group, the Twitter, and of course, I will have the ever wonderful Crazy NICKLES link below for her YouTube channel. She's the one that provides me with the layout that you guys seen. Yeah, that's going to wrap it up. So until next time, remember to take care of yourself and take care of each other. Peace.